Hello, my name is Bob Friscia with Ocean Independence, here off the coast of sunny South Florida. On behalf of myself and Chris Collins, I want to welcome you to one of our latest additions to our global sales fleet, 2024 Horizon FD100 Wiggle Room. In collaboration with world-renowned Cord Rover and his ever-evolving exterior tri-deck design, along with BCB decor out of Naples, creating a light and airy interior, this highly customized FD100 is truly unique. Wiggle Room features an extremely spacious 5-stateroom ensuite layout, including an on-deck master with oversized windows to take in those breathtaking views while down island. From the additional wet bars added on each level to the floor-to-ceiling windows throughout on the main deck entertaining area, touches such as glass transom beach club doors, which is a first ever in the FD series, she has evolved into the perfect entertainer's dream layout. Powered by Cat C32 1900 horsepower engines, Wiggle Room can comfortably cruise at 18 knots and run up to just over 23 knots at wide open throttle, while keeping owners and guests on board in total comfort due to her ABT track stabilization both underway and at rest. Chris and I would like to thank you for spending time with us aboard Wiggle Room. For more information or to arrange a private showing, feel free to contact us at any time.